how to set up Streamlabs. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our browser. And then under the search bar, just search for streamlabs.com. And then after that, just click on enter. And then in this part, once you click that, you will be redirected into this website. So in this part, you will see this download Streamlabs. So we're going to click on that. And then you will see this download Streamlabs desktop. So just click on that once again, and then you will see it right here. So what we're going to do is to wait for it to finish. Once it is done, what we're going to do is to click on open file, and then go here and then click this one. And then what we're going to do is to just click I agree, and then click install. After that, let's wait for it again to finish. After that, make sure that you check this one, which is Run Streamlabs Desktop, and then click Finish. After that, Streamlabs will automatically open, which is right here, is to now start using Streamlabs. Once you are now here, you can choose either live streaming or recording only. So let's say, for example, that we are live streaming, so we're going to click on that, and then click on Continue. After that, all you have to do is to create a Streamlabs ID. So if you haven't created an account yet, all you have to do is to create this. But if you have already created an account, all you have to do is to click on Login. And then all you have to do right here is to connect one of the platforms that you are using. So let's say, for example, that we are using TikTok. And then once you are now here, all you have to do is to click on Let's Do It. And then all you have to do is to look for the TikTok, which is right here. So click on the merge button and then just log in with your account. Once you do that, what we're going to do is to scroll down and then click on Continue. And then once it is connected, the next thing that we need to do is to go back into Streamlabs software, which is right here. And then just restart your Streamlabs right here. So let's open Streamlabs once again. After that, if you want to import your settings from OBS Studio, from Twitch Studio, you can do that right here, or you can start fresh, which is right there. So I'm going to click on Start Fresh. And then in this part, you can now choose your webcam, your visual preset, your microphone, and so on. So if you want to change it, all you have to do is to click on that. And then after that, click on Continue. And then in this part, you will have options to choose your plan, which is the free version and then the Streamlabs Ultra. So what we're going to do if you want to use the free version is to click on the skip button. And then after that, once you do that, you will now be able to use Streamlabs right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to set up Streamlabs.